add a new question controller and model.
Yeah.
I mean, going through the code, why rake DB migrate, it tells me that the table questions already exist.
Yeah.
But when I restart the Rails server, I get this.
Yeah. So have you still like switched branches lately? I guess why don't you just go down to your database folder in Atom, and we can take a look at your migrations. Okay, great. So then, and then take a look at the first, and then the one above it. The one below that one. Oh, interesting. Okay. So can you show me all three again? Okay. Yeah, so the first one's posts, then the second one.
Questions, or second one's comments,
And then
third one questions.
Cool. So we're gonna have to do something here. Go to terminal. Write the following: rake db drop.
DB drop like that.
Mm-hmm. Rake db create.
Do you just type it in and okay, yeah, that's what you do.
And then rake db migrate.
So what did each of those just do?
So the thing is that somehow your schema is inconsistent with your migrations, and that happens sometimes when you switch branches. And so what you do is you just drop the schema. The schema is like the outline of your database, right? It says your database has these columns and these tables, right? Mm-hmm. For some reason, your schema already had a record that you had a questions table, but your questions migration wasn't performed, wasn't executed on. So
I checked schema and it wasn't there. Like I checked it because that's what I mean. I saw the error and like I went through and I started looking for questions.
Yeah.
And like I wasn't there when I went to schema before.
I'm not sure.
I remember, and honestly, one of the assignments, and I started like kind of thinking that this had something to do with it. One of the assignments I created questions and answers. And then later on, I realized questions and answers were still there. So
yeah, so that's what happens. Yeah, so your schema doesn't change between branches.
Okay.
So sometimes you just gotta change them.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so you should be able to run your server now.
Oh yeah. How could you see that, by the way? What did you see?
I mean, just said migrations pending, but then your migrations weren't performing, so it just kind of knew that your schema was inconsistent with the migrations. Okay, so.
And this is actually going
to. This is the other error that you're running into?
Yeah.
Okay, go to your routes file.
Routes file.
Okay, and then now go to your questions controller. Yeah, and so this is the problem. You have to make your questions controller plural. So rename the file to questions_controller. And then, and then change in line one, and then in line one, change question controller to questions controller.
Question. Like that?
Yep. Save that. And then now go to your helper file and then do the same thing.
That's what we did before.
Yep. And then now scroll down. I just want to see if questions is plural. Great. And then scroll down to the views folder.
Yeah.
All right. So you're all good there. Now you should be able to access it. So there you go.
Cool. Okay, cool. So yeah, I guess the one that's in the question that is in the so yeah, that's good to go then. I'll add all that.
Okay, so the previous problem you're asking about is also solved too?
No, the previous problem.
So that was post/1, correct?
Yes.
Do you want to try going there?
Yep. Yeah, so. Okay, so it's probably the same kind of issue, I'm guessing.
Maybe. Yeah, I mean, why don't you just go to your routes file? Okay, and then can you go to terminal?
Yep. When we shut down the server?
This is a different error. Couldn't find posts with ID equals 1. So if you go to your post controller, you just don't have a post with ID 1 at the moment. So the URL is invalid. So if you go to /posts.
/post.
In the browser, yeah. It's probably really annoying that Bing pops up every time.
Yeah. Yeah, can we correct that?
Yeah, so why don't you go to settings in Chrome. I assume it's like a browser specific thing.
Preferences?
Sure. Scroll down.
Advanced settings?
Yeah.
Did that?
Use a web service to resolve navigation errors. That could be it. Keep going. That might be it.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, try going to post/1.
Because it's almost like it shows you what you need to see, and then it goes, nah, that didn't work out for me. Prediction service? I don't know what that is.
Why don't you go to extensions? That might be it too. Okay, yeah. Conduit search right there. This I'm not sure if you installed it, but you can disable it. And if you can delete it if you want to.
I can delete?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Great. And then now you can go to post/1. There you go.
Cool. There we go. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
This is just like a normal error. Just that like your post doesn't exist.
A post equals post, that's fine. Okay, so
everything's fine. It's just that you don't have a post with ID 1 yet because you have no post in the database. But if you create one, you should be fine.
I thought I have 527 posts in the day.
You can break DBC and then you'll get them back. When we did the drop, create, and migrate, we took out the data. But you can do break DBC and you'll get them back.
Okay. So break DBC.
Great. Now you can do post/1. You need to rerun your server.
Thank you.
Awesome. So to go over what we did to correct things. So the questions controller need to be plural, along with the helper. And then the schema problem, which we dropped, created, and migrated. Yep, and so that was it.
Okay.
Great, so I'm gonna quickly write the answer, and if you could approve that, that'd be great.
Yep.
All right, I'll see you soon.
All right, did I put that question in right for you? Is that like pretty good format, or?
Yeah, it was great.
Okay, cool. All right, thank you.
Yep, absolutely.
All right, bye.
All right, see ya.